Hey, namaste guys, and once again welcome to my channel Shashi4X. And today I have a flagship phone from Honor Magic4 Pro. So thanks for the Honor for giving me this phone, and they have sponsored this phone for this video. So let me do the unboxing and let us see the first impression. Okay, and then open like this, and then the first impression. Oh, the phone looks very beautiful, and this is 6.81 inch display, and the weight is about like 215 grams approximately, and a very beautiful camera and a sensor module. It's called as Eye of Muse, and then there are 3 buttons. Two for the up down volume and 1 for the power on power off, lock and unlock the home screen. And the display is really great. It has a curved shaped display and a very beautiful grip for the holding. It has a very beautiful grip for the holding and looks very manly with a metal body. And so there is no, obviously nowadays there is no audio jack for the phones. Same thing for this phone, there is no 3.5 mm audio socket or audio jack. So if you really want to hear the audio earphone which comes with the type C, you have to use the type C here, or you have to use the Bluetooth one, and here is the type C connector and the SIM card slot. Normally the SIM card slot comes on the side, but this has at the bottom, and we have there is one more speaker here at the bottom side, and also on the top side there is a speaker, so that you can have a very good the cinematic effect or the cinematic sound effect while watching the movie or while playing the game. Let us continue with unboxing. So after this, there comes the pin to remove the SIM slot, and also comes with the back cover. Wow, very good, very glossy and transparent, beautiful the phone cover. And then have the USB type C cable. I think this is about 1.5 meter or something. It's okay. And then comes the very big, the powerful power adapter, 100 watt. Wow, this is really a super fast or super powerful power adapter. Also this phone has a wireless battery charger, but that you have to buy it separately. But with the basic version, it comes with the phone and a super power adapter and the USB cable. The built-in battery is 4500 milliampere hour. That means the battery is really a long-lasting battery. It's really a great battery support, and also it has a supercharging support. I really like this function. Eye of Muse contains 3 powerful cameras and 1 DOTF, direct on flight sensor. DOFT, direct on flight sensor. And the 3 powerful cameras. The main camera is a 54 megapixel, and the second camera is the ultra wide angle of 122 degree, and this camera also is a 50 megapixel, and the third camera is the telephoto camera of 64 megapixel, and it has 3x optical zoom as well as 100x digital zoom. So this is really great for cinematic videos, for vloggers. It's really a great phone. And all these cameras comes with a combination of electronic image stabilization as well as the optical image stabilizations. And let us take a look on the front camera. The front, there are 2 cameras on the front. So totally this has 5 cameras. 3 cameras on the Eye of Muse and 2 cameras on the front side. The front has 2 cameras. The first camera is 100 degree FOV vision, and the second camera is for the 3D in-depth AI detection. Okay, let's talk about the display. The display is totally a curved shaped display, and it is 6.81 inch, and it has a refresh rate of 120 hertz the refresh rate, so that when you scroll, it's very easy to scroll, you don't feel the flickering effect. And this phone also comes with pre-installed with the Google environment. I mean the Google Play Store, Gmail, YouTube, all the Google products are pre-installed. The CPU of this phone is Snapdragon 8 Generation 1. It's really powerful CPU and also energy efficient and heat efficient, and also comes with a GPU Turbo X for the gaming support. So this is really a cinematic gaming phone. This user interface with Magic UI 6.0 based on Android 12 operating system, and the user interface is really great user interface, which you can customize the themes or the layout according to your requirement. As I mentioned earlier, normally in phones the SIM slot will be on the side, but this has a really great design at the bottom side, the SIM card slot, I mean the SIM card tray. And this SIM card tray is not a hybrid SIM card tray. The hybrid SIM card tray is like you have a slot for one nano SIM and the second slot is for the micro SD card. So it's a combination of two SIM card or one plus micro SD card SIM card combination. But this phone does not have that feature because the SIM card is a dual SIM card. It's like on the top side you can insert a nano SIM card, and at the bottom side you can insert another SIM card. So totally two nano SIM cards you can insert on a single tray. And this phone doesn't has any memory extension or memory card slot, because the basic version of the phone comes with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB ROM. Wow, that's too much. For another 5 years I no need to care about the memory usage of my phone. 1 2 3 1 2 3 mic testing. The another great thing of this phone is it's IP68 standard, so you don't need to worry about the dust and the water. It's a dust proof and waterproof, so it's suitable for all kind of open environment. I mean all weather friendly phone. As I mentioned, this is like cinematic video phone because it has two speakers on the top. It has one speaker on the top side and one speaker on the bottom side, and you really great effect while watching a very good 4K the movie or a very high definition movie. You really get a cinematic effect because this has been IMAX enhanced certified movie master. And also the gaming effect is really great because it has a GPU Turbo X supports for the gaming activities. Now let's talk about the built-in sensor this phone has. Comes with an infrared sensor, so that is really easily you can use as a remote control for your home appliances. And it has the gyro sensor and the NFC tag, the gravity sensor, and also it has a built-in the compass, so that you can check the real time the direction. I mean the north, west, south, east kind of directions you can check on the real time. And also it has a proximity sensor, and it also has an ambient light sensor. This phone comes with three different colors. This one is a cyan, the orange, and the golden color. So I like the cyan, is really a very nice color. And the starting price of this phone is in China market. The starting price of this phone is the basic version. The starting price is 5,500 Chinese yuan, and this price might vary on different country to country with the different combinations. So you have to check at your local shops or on your local websites. Okay guys, in my upcoming video I will make an in-depth review on the camera comparison with the different brand, and I'll give a very detailed explanation about the audio, about the photography and the videography of this phone. So until then, if you have any questions, if any doubts, let me know. Just take care. Bye.